Checking out the Skil portable router table. Now this is the package that comes with that 10 amp fixed base router. Let's take a look at some of my favorite features. I like the flip up bit guard. You can use that whenever appropriate, but I also like this angled shape that lets you pass the workpiece directly under the guard, so more convenient that way. Another favorite feature is the above the table height adjustment with this included crank, so it's nice that you don't have to mess with that from under the table. Just unlock it and you can easily adjust the bit height. And then having a spot to store your wrenches, all your bits, and the extra trim ring inserts was a feature I was not expecting at this price point. There's an integrated power strip that lets you activate your router at the same time as any dust collection that you might want to use. 2 featherboards are included. Either of these can be used as a fence featherboard, but one of them actually includes miter bar hardware as well, so you can control the workpiece down to your table as well as into your fence. There's a split fence design that you can loosen with a couple knobs, and that just allows you to fine-tune the opening around the bit. Also included are a few different trim rings depending on the size of bit you're using. You'll also notice securing pads on all 4 corners where you could run a screw down for permanent mounting or just secure it temporarily with clamps. The top is MDF and it's trimmed out with a nice T-banding, and you get that aluminum miter track as well. And have a listen to that 10 amp router before I hook up the dust collection. It sounds really good, and I like those LED lights, especially when you're using the router in handheld mode. Incrementally raise that bit height until you get just the position you want and lock it in place. And there's nothing like the accuracy coming right off a router table. Sometimes it's hard to get that level of precision with a handheld router. You can also easily adjust bit height from right under the table if you don't want to get that wrench out. And the fence gives you trouble-free hookups for a smaller 1.5 inch diameter or 2.25 to fit a standard size shop vac. So if you're looking for a beginner portable router table package and you need it to come fully equipped with everything you need to get started, including the storage bins on the side and that 10 amp fixed base router, this Skil package would be a great one to look at.